Finally, we reach the heart of what makes Bordeaux world famous, its deep and enduring relationship with wine. We begin in the Chartrons district, the historic stronghold of the wine merchants, once a separate suburb outside the city walls. These 18th century mansions were built with massive stone archways, designed for horse-drawn carts to roll heavy barrels directly from the river into long warehouses. Dutch merchants were pioneers here, leaving behind these unique gabled houses and the legacy of draining the surrounding marshes to plant vines. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. Moving inland, we find Rue Notre Dame, the spine of the district, and today a chic village-like street filled with history and style. Once the center of barrel making, it is now the home of Bordeaux's thriving antique trade, where the past is always on display. In the heart of these streets lies the Wine and Trade Museum, located in the vaulted cellars of a historic merchant's house. Here, we learn of the negociants, the powerful middlemen who managed the trade, and the legendary 1855 classification. In these cool stone cellars, merchants perfected the art of blending grape varieties to ensure the wines survived long sea voyages across the globe. But the wealth of these mansions also reflects a complex past, acknowledging the city's role in the triangular slave trade that financed much of this golden age. Today, the quays are a place of celebration. Every Sunday, locals gather at the market for a beloved Bordelais tradition. Standing at the oyster stalls, residents enjoy the catch of Arcachambay paired with a crisp glass of local white wine. Behold the Cité du Vin, a bold architectural masterpiece whose curved form evokes wine swirling in a glass. Its panels change color with the sun, representing the gnarled trunk of a vine and the eddies of the river below. Inside, it is a global cultural hub, taking visitors on an immersive journey through the world's wine-growing civilizations. Our journey reaches its peak at the Belvedere, located 35 meters above the city. The ceiling is a monumental work of art, a shimmering forest of bottles that transforms the light into a liquid glow. The ceiling is a monumental work of art, a shimmering forest of bottles that transforms the light into a liquid glow. Here, visitors are invited to toast to the world's vineyards while taking in the stunning panoramic views. From here, you can see how the historic Port of the Moon and the modern city blend into one seamless horizon. Our three-part tour of Bordeaux ends here, from its neoclassical heights to its medieval depths and its eternal wine soul. Thank you for walking with us. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content.